using protein for weight gain. Here's something that tends to make a lot of us jealous. There are actually people out there who need to gain weight. Now, those of you who feel like you need to lose a few pounds may think that it would be great to not be able to gain weight, but actually, it can be very harmful to one's health to be underweight. There are a number of reasons why people may need a weight gain. Some people who are recovering from illnesses that cause their weight loss need to have diets that will promote weight gain. There are also people who have eating disorders, and if they do not gain weight, it is possible that they could die from their disorders. These disorders include bulimia and anorexia. Weight gain can be just as much of a struggle as weight loss, and it is important to eat a lot of foods that are high in calories, while still being healthy. It is really important to make sure that all of your nutritional needs are met, whether you are trying to gain or lose weight, and if you are unsure of which foods you should be eating, your doctor can help you create a diet that works for your needs, including weight gain. This diet should be one that is high in protein-rich foods, which can really help you to put on the weight that you need to be healthy. High-protein foods promote weight gain. Many of the foods that are high in protein are also great for promoting weight gain. You can find plenty of delicious foods that are loaded with protein, which will not only promote weight gain, but will also help to restore your soft tissues and provide much-needed energy. In addition to protein, in order to promote healthy weight gain, you also need to eat foods that are high in good carbohydrates. Actually, along with fats, proteins and carbohydrates are the 3 macronutrients that we all need in order to be healthy and to live. For most typical adults, a healthy diet should consist of 50% carbohydrates, 15% fats, and 35% proteins. But for those who are trying to gain weight, these amounts will definitely change and more protein will be needed. There are all kinds of foods that are high in protein and that you can add to your diet that will help you to gain a healthy amount of weight. Most of us love pasta, and whole grain pastas are loaded with both proteins and carbohydrates and are great for all diets. All kinds of fish are excellent choices, because fish, as well as all other animal-based proteins, are complete proteins, meaning that they contain all 8 of the essential amino acids and all 14 of the non-essential amino acids. What is protein? Protein is a macronutrient that is made up of strings of amino acids. Protein is necessary for the health and maintenance of every part of our body, and there isn't a cell that isn't made from, or doesn't rely on, protein. Our hair, skin, and fingernails are made from protein, and even the lenses of our eyes are made from a type of protein. Protein is a natural source of energy, and it helps in the maintenance and recovery of the soft tissues. This is especially important following any sort of injury, illness, or surgery. Protein is also important for the health of our immune systems. Essential amino acids, these are the amino acids that the body needs, but is not able to produce on its own. Therefore, they must come from a number of dietary sources. The 8 essential amino acids are leucine, isoleucine, lysine, threonine, tryptophan, valine, methionine, and phenylalanine. Non-essential amino acids, there are 14 non-essential amino acids that the body is able to produce on its own, so it is not necessary to get them from dietary sources. The non-essential amino acids are alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, cysteine, proline, serine, taurine, glutamine, tyrosine, ornithine, glutamic acid, and glycine. There are 2 types of proteins, complete and incomplete. Complete proteins are those that have all of the essential and non-essential amino acids. All animal-based proteins are complete, as well as soy, which is the only plant-based protein that is a complete protein. Incomplete proteins do not contain all of the amino acids and foods that are incomplete proteins and must be eaten in combination in order to get the right amount of protein in your diet. Vegetarians must be extra careful to make sure that they are getting enough protein foods in their diets, and they may require much more than others, because they are not getting their protein from complete protein sources. When eating a diet that promotes weight gain, you need to eat plenty of protein-rich foods. All dairy products are excellent choices, even for those who are vegetarians, and unlike with most other diets, it is alright to have dairy products that are not non-fat, but actually have a higher fat content, to help you with your weight gain. Other foods that you will love to add to your weight gain diet include eggs, beans of all kinds, potatoes, nuts and seeds, and lean red meats. Protein supplements aid in weight gain. If you are not gaining as much, or as quickly, as you would like, you can help your weight gain diet along by using protein supplements. There are all kinds of different protein supplements that can be used as meal replacements, or in addition to your meals, to give you the extra calories and nutrients you need to gain weight and be healthy. Many people like to use protein powders, because they can be used to make all kinds of delicious shakes and smoothies that can help in the weight gaining process. They can also be used to add protein to any meal and are available in unflavored varieties for this purpose. Protein powders are made from a number of protein sources, including whey, casein, rice, and soy. Another type of protein supplement that is becoming increasingly popular is the liquid protein shot. These are really great, because you can use them anywhere and at any time. They are small and portable and are loaded with protein and other important nutrients and vitamins. ProfectR by Protica is an excellent choice for a liquid protein shot. It contains 25 grams of protein in every 2.9-ounce serving, plus it comes in many great tasting flavors that you are sure to enjoy, including clear raspberry, clear green tea, clear watermelon, and clear passion fruit.